Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to create barcode in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. In first step, here make sure you have formatted your cells as a text to display 0 in front of numbers. Here we will make a barcode with this 3 example. We have only numbers. I'm mixing numbers with letters. Click on the cell in which you want to generate the barcode, equal sign, open a bracket between quotation mark, type ampersand, select the code, enter another ampersand, and close bracket between quotation mark again. Enter. Our barcode will be based on this. Copy the formula to the rest of the cells, drag it down, change the font type into ID Automation 39. Our barcode is here. This font is not available in Excel. We have to download it. To download the font, visit 1001 free fonts, scroll down, download. Here our zip file is downloaded. Right click on it, extract all, extract. Double click here. Mine is already installed, but I want to replace it. Let us check whether the font is downloaded or not. ID. Here we go, it's downloaded. The barcode is dynamic. It means once you change a number here, immediately reflect on the barcode. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.